Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to check who subscribed to you on YouTube. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your browser, then go to youtube.com, and here you should click on your YouTube icon, then go to YouTube Studio, then you can scroll down here in the dashboard partition. When you scroll down, you can see this box right here showing you the recent subscribers in the last 90 days. You can click on see all in order to see more details about these subscribers. And here you have some filters in order to see the subscribers count. For example, the subscribers count that the subscribers have, the people who subscribe to your channel. And you can also sort the subscribers by date. For example, you can see who was the last subscriber and who was the first subscriber also. And you can choose one of these options right here. You can see the subscribers in the last 7 days, for example, or the subscribers in the last 90 days or lifetime. You can see the first subscriber to your YouTube channel, and that was the first subscriber to my YouTube channel. He has 17 subscribers, and you can also subscribe to him if you want to give him a subscribe back. And there are also some pages down below. You can see all the pages, and you can also show more rows per the page. You can click on this arrow right here, then choose, for example, 50, and you can scroll down till you finish the page, then click on next page to see other subscribers. And that was all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.